Kiana here with PMP Crafters. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making these cute card favors that you can do with your printer at home. If you're interested, keep on watching. All right, so to do the large favor cards, I'm doing the ones where I'm using these I got from Walmart. Got these from Walmart, and these are just like the treat tins. And of course, if you're doing the larger ones, you can get the cupcake tin. You can even get the tops off of like the baking pans and put on there. The templates that I have are for the like 19-inch ones, but we are going to be using our 8.5 by 14 legal paper, and so this fits perfectly on there. You're also going to need poster board. So here's a large poster board. I can't get it all in here, but this one I got from where did I get this one from? I got this one from Michael's, I believe. You got Dollar Tree even has them. You're going to need, for this one, we're going to use a spray adhesive. You can also use the sticker vinyl paper if you have that, or you choose to purchase sticker vinyl paper. But I wanted to show you guys how you could just use the spray adhesive and the glossy photo paper. Okay. Of course, you're going to need your treats. So I have Capri Sun here. I have my rice treats, and I have my hot cocoa. I also have my glue gun, and let me show you the paper. Okay, now this is the paper that I am using, and this is the glossy. I will have this linked in the description down below, but I am using this 8.5 by 14, and my printer I have that I'm using is the Epson 2400, and so I have no problem with printing this paper. Okay, so I have two designs that I've already went ahead and printed, and you can find these on my website. So we have Sonic here, and we have Gracie's Corner. So this is going to actually be the board. So this will be your board images. Then here is the Rice Krispie treat image that goes with Sonic, the Capri Sun image for Sonic, and the hot chocolate image for Sonic. The bundle also comes with the chip image for Sonic. For all of them, we have Barbie and much, much more. But when it comes to this size, the chips are not going to fit in there unless you make the image smaller and do a smaller thing. Now, chip bags can be used for more than just chips. So of course you can resize it and add other things into them. But I decided to just stick with these. And as you can see, that is going to fit right in there perfectly without covering up too much of our design. Okay. And then of course for Gracie's Corner, we have all of the same ones. Super cute, super cute. Okay, I have the link down below for all of the materials that I am using, including for you to get your templates. And then when you get the templates, all you have to do is go into Canva and edit where it says name. You put the child's name, and then of course you can edit any of this if you would like to edit as well. You can do so. But if you just want to go in there and edit really quickly, just edit the name, and then you're ready to save and print. All right, so what I'm going to do is get my station ready for us to assemble everything. Okay, we're going to work with the Sonic first, and this is the hot chocolate. I am going to show you how to do this one because I haven't done this one in a while on the channel, but the rest of them, of course, you can look at a video to watch how to assemble those. I will also put all of those down below because I do believe I've done rice treats and Capri Suns on the channel. So This is going to be really easy. All I did was go ahead and crease it right where I put the two images together at. And I'm going to go ahead and place that in here. I folded all the edges down. I love for my stuff to fit super snug, so I made sure that the design fit to the T. So instead of me making it and then adding it in, I am going to have it already positioned in here. Now, you can use your hot glue gun, and that's what I was planning on doing at first, but now I feel like I really want to use my tape gun. So I'm going to do that instead. And so I'm just going to run my tape all along this one whole side. Okay, so we have our hot chocolate done. Now I'm going to go ahead and assemble the other two treats. Okay, now I've covered my surface so I won't get the glue on anything. I'm simply going to flip this over, shake this well. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is apply this to my board. I like to use a corner so that way I can line this up as straight as possible. And that also means less edges that I have to actually cut right away. Okay, you can use a squeegee or your hand to get this out smooth as possible. Okay, and then I like to let it dry completely before I cut. All right, so now I'm just going to take my craft knife and a ruler and cut this right off. Oh, now we're going to put our treats inside of here, and I am going to start with my Capri Sun, lay it down flat, of course facing that way, and then I'm going to put my Rice Krispie treat, and this will be in the back. I'm going to add a little bit of just shredded paper behind it, and then we're going to glue this to this. These favorite cards are so super cute. I will be having more dropping soon, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe and join our community.